Now we can discuss about profitable businesses. That is part 6, that is academics courses. So what are those? We can discuss now. My name is Ganesh, and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. No commas and capital letters are there. In say YouTube search, if you type SEEYOURNEEDS, if you type it, then you will get it everything easily. And if you like it, you can subscribe also. That is your choice. Now we can go into the subject of profitable businesses, and part 6 we are discussing now, that is academics courses. Again, with the growth of technology, online business owners are making some of the most profitable businesses by offering courses through educational platforms of independently through their own websites. Before, you might start the traditional academics offering supplemental online instruction in grade level, reading math, science or history, or even standardized test preparation. You could even create a review course for parents helping teens with their algebra homework. If you are creative, the possibilities are truly endless, and academic courses don't have to end at the high level, high school, or even college level. You can create an online course to share your love of political history, Buddhist theology, or rocket science. If you are interested in a particular subject, chances are high that someone else is too. So, in academic career also, suppose you are a maths lecturer, you can lecturer. So you can create always test papers will be there for 10th, inter, degree, PG. All these model papers and what subjects it will come. You can you can give coaching to them in online coaching also. It will be available. So you can Zoom is there nowadays. So Zoom technologies are there, and Skype is there. In that you can share your neighbors around 20 or 30, 10 or 15 persons, and you can give online coaching regarding mathematics, mathematical tips, and history, economics, accounting, science. So many are there. Which is your area? You can do that. Suppose you are maths lecturer in maths regarding from 10th to PG. Likewise, if you are a science lecturer from 10th to PG. Suppose you are an English lecturer, English grammar and what are the things you should learn in a good way and vocabulary. You can talk from 10th level to PG level also, 10th, inter, degree, PG level also. Likewise, whichever is your subject, you can discuss in Skype and as well as Zoom also. Zoom technologies are also will be very much useful to you to share your ideas in online, and you can get very good income also. You can prefer them. Suppose mass training is there for intermediate candidates. Mass coaching means you can prefer some charges. You should pay this online, this much of amount. I will give the permission to share in Zoom technologies. Likewise, you can give your Zoom ID code, then they will discuss with you, and they can share their problems, and they can have, if they are having any fears and doubts, they can share it also. Likewise, also you can get a very good income, very well. So, but you should be expertise in one area, that is maths, whatever you use your subject, you should be expertise in that area. Then you will be successful. That is I want to discuss with you. And academics courses also a very good boom and income is there in every subject. Suppose in summer you being in a commerce lecture, summer is your time, but that summer after in the time of summer exams will be there, but that time balance sheet, trading account and balance sheet, so many doubts will be there to the students. Those you can share in Zoom, otherwise they are in Skype also. You can share to your students and you can discuss something, and you can instruct them which subjects are required, in which way they have to read and all this. You can get very good income. Likewise, so many subjects are there. Suppose if you are in one subject, if you are expertise, you are the hot cake of the industry in all means, in all ways. Wishing you all the best.